Hello everyone, welcome to our gutter clear day. It's a Friday. We've had the week where we've been rained off a lot, and also we've got a gutter clear day to do. So luckily it ain't raining today. And we've got 3 jobs on. One of them's just a gutter clear, fascia soffits and gutters. And then we've got 2 more jobs, which is basically fascia soffits and gutters, a gutter clear, plus all external windows and Velux windows, and one of them's quite a big job which we're going to save to the end of the day. So let's see if we can get these next 2 done so I can get home in time for lunch, and then it gives me plenty of time to get the next job done in the afternoon. And it's me and Matthew today. Will we do it? Who knows? What could go wrong? Something always does. What will it be? Right, this first one's a bit of a nightmare. It's like a terraced house out the back. You'll see it's close to these fields. I'll show you some footage. The path's a bit tight to get all the kit around, but we're going to get the gutter vac round the back. I did think go off the ladder, but it's going to be hard to get the ladder here anyway, so might as well go with the gutter vac, and I don't know potential problems up there. We've had a quick look with the camera. It's not too bad, but there is a problem where they're getting water coming down, so I'm going to have a good look at that one. I'll just show you anyway what we've done to get stuff around the back. The front is a breeze. It's only a small place. Right, it's that job done, and it had its little quirky bits, but we got it done and the customer's happy. We've pointed out something that's wrong with the guttering that does need replacing, which explains possibility of a leak when there's been some heavy rain, and she's happy with the picture we took and sent that across to her as well, so she can use that. I've also given her a business card to someone in the area I know, and I clean these windows, but I used to go to him if there's anyone with problems with gutters, because that's his bag. He does all the fascia soffits and gutters, guttering. He's also a supplier to businesses as well in that sort of stuff. So he's got all the gear and he knows what he's doing. So referred it to him, which is handy to have. Also, we've had a customer Nextdoor come out. So she's now a new customer, just a front only windows. And also a customer we cleaned yesterday, he come out and asked us to clean his gutters. So I've got the stuff in the van, so we used it, and it's only the front only of his as well. So they're Brucey bonuses, everyone's happy, and we've got a little bit of extra money. So that's that done. Now we're on to the next job. It's closer to home, and it's the fascia soffits and gutters, gutter clear, plus windows as well. I don't think we're going to get all that done by lunchtime now. It's now 11:15, but see how we get on. Right, I'll give you a walk around quickly for this one. We're going to do a garage, fascia soffits and gutters. This is the back of it here. So there's the fascia soffits and gutters, gutter clear as well. Same for the house. There's my son David, he's giving me a hand. He's starting at the back of the garage with the fascia soffits and gutters, and then he's going to start at the front as well. Obviously all windows, doors, they'll all get done. And here's the front of a double garage. Then we move around to the house itself. I've got this side of the house what I'm going to start on first. Matthew, he's starting here around the back, and what he's doing is fascia soffits and gutters at the moment, prior to me doing the gutter clear. Then he's going to be doing all the windows as well, and then I'll be round the other side. It's a bit shady around here, sorry. And I'm going to start this side here. I've got 4 poles with me, carpet elite poles, Skyvac ones, to reach up to there. Then we drop down where I'll have 3 poles. Same again for this side here. You see I've got something growing out of a downpipe there. And then we've got these weird bits here for these gutter guards that are installed when this conservatory was put on. Stop stuff coming through. You can see that's going to be really hard to get to. So how I'm going to get to those up here, is I'm going to use my ladder, which I've set up around this side. Ladder stays come in really handy, so I can put it on the corner. And basically I'm going to go up the ladder, and then using my poles with a 90-degree gooseneck, I'll reach across and see how I can get that lot out from this end. And I'll do the same with the other end here. Just walking around this side of the conservatory. I'll stick my ladder up there, and then again I use my gooseneck 90-degree bend with nozzle end, and we'll get that done. That's the plan. How it works out, I have no idea, but we'll see how it gets on. Obviously we've got all the windows, conservatory windows to do as well. Let's get on. Right, then we see what we're dealing with. It's just about able to get the nozzle in, but I'm going to have to dig. I don't think it's going to be as easy as what we think. This stuff ain't going to come out quick. I can't get a pro gutter tool in there because of this, but we'll see how we go. Right, that bit was hard work, but I managed it. It's a bit difficult doing off a ladder with the poles all over your shoulder, and you've got the weights, and these things are like this. Hard to break down, come out in big tufts, and they get stuck between the tiles and the gutter sometimes, and it's hard to drag them out, but perseverance got me there in the end. Just got that little bit to do on the side. I'll stick a bit of footage over the top of what I'm saying, and then it's that awkward bit done. Obviously I've got a bit in the gully to get out as well. And it's just the back of the property and the garages for the gutter clear. And Matthew and David are doing all right in the fascia soffits and gutters and windows, so hopefully not too long. Another handy thing about having a ladder is your gutter vac don't always get these little systems out of these parts of the gutter, so I've had to take it apart by hand. It's just handy me ladder was there as well, doing that bit there. So get all these out if I can. Bit of a root system in there. The gutter vac won't get that out. All nice and clear. Not necessarily clean, but not blocked. Right, it's nearly 6 o'clock, later than what I was expecting, but we've got one of these almost full and just over half full on that one. And we've got, it's getting dark so you probably can't see, all the windows, fascia soffits and gutters all done. Just in the midst of packing up the last bits, and the neighbours come over asking if we could do a quote, which is this lady's son. So got another job out of this, hopefully, as long as the quote's accepted. Anyway, that's it from me. Thanks so much, because I'm knackered and my arms are killing. Catch you later. Watch another video, there'll be one popping up. See you later.